So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change the content of your site. For this you have to first go to your dashboard, and from here you can see the pages of your site. Okay, here is all the list of your pages, and from here you can edit the front page of your site, and when you click on edit with Elementor, a new page will open, and in this page you can change this image, this content, this and all this content. Okay, and not this footer. Okay, you can change all the body area when you click on this page, on the front page, and when a new page will open with the name Elementor Home. Okay, so if you want to change the image of your header, you have to click on navigator, and when you click on navigator, a pop-up will come, and from here you have to click on the first section, and when you click on this section, a new element will open. Okay, and here you can see 3 tabs: layout, style and advanced. Okay, so this is not the picture, this is the video, and if you want to add the picture, you can click here and you can select the image and add from media library. Okay, and so here we are using the video, not the picture. Okay, and if you want to give the overlay to your video, you can click on background overlay, and after that you can click here color and color, and from here you can change the opacity. Okay, if you want to remove the color, click on the color icon and click clear. Okay, now I will show you that how you can change the text. When you hover over this text, you can see this pen icon. Click on this pen icon, and from here you can change the text. Okay, and if you want to change the styling or the position, you can change it. Okay, if you want to change the color, you can change it from here. Okay, if you want to change the font size, you can change it from here, font weight. Okay, you can change it from here. You want to give the shadow. Okay, if you want to reset the shadow or remove the shadow, you can easily click on reset. Okay, and same, if you want to change this text, click on this pen icon and click in the text area, button. Okay, there is 2 options: visual and text. You can add your text. Okay, and if you want to change the image, click on this pen icon. Okay, and from here you can change the position of the images. Just you have to drag it. Okay, you have to simply drag this box, click on this, here is the image. Okay, click on this, add whatever the image you want to add. Okay, and now I will show you that how you can change the gallery. Click this button. Here there are 18 images in this gallery. The layout is grid. You can change the positioning and you can add more images. Okay, click add to gallery and select more images, and then you have to click on add to gallery. Okay, and if you want to change the this text area, click on this, and if you want to change the icon, okay, now here is car. If you want to change the icon, you can select any icon you want. Okay, I'm not adding. And if you want to increase the size, go to style, click on icon, increase the size. Okay, like that you can change the size. Okay, leave it. If you want to change the size of this text, okay, or give the space. And now come to this part. This is the advanced tab element, and if you want to change the position, for example, if you want to make at the garden at first position, click on content and simply drag it over here. At the garden will come on first. Okay, and if you want to change the content of these tabs, at the lag, at the garden, at the city, you cannot change it from here. Okay, for this you have to go to the dashboard, and from here you have to select, you have to click on save templates, and from here here is garden template, lake template, and the city template. Garden, lake, and the city template. Okay, so now I am going to show you one template. Click on open. You have to click on edit with Elementor. Okay, do not click here. You have to click on edit with Elementor, and now if you want to change the image, simply click here, so the section will highlight, and from here you can simply click and select the image. If you want to remove this, click on this minus icon, or if you want to add new, click on this add to gallery button. And if you want to change the text, you can write it over here, and when you click here it will save. Okay, text is saved, and after doing changes, don't forget to click on update. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Here's the text. Okay, from here you can change the text and the icon, and this is the Instagram icon. If you want to add a new link, you can remove the link from here, and if you want to open the link in a new tab, So when the user come and click on the Instagram, the link will open in new tab. Okay, it will open like this. For now, when user click on this, the page will reload. Okay, and now I will show you that how you can change the content of the footer. For this, again come on template area. Okay, sorry, okay, yes, template area, and click on theme builder, or you can also you have to click on theme builder, and from here you have to click on header. Sorry, I am going to show you the footer. Click on edit with Elementor footer, and please do not mess with header. Okay, from here you can change the logo. Okay, okay, I will show you that how you can change the logo. From here you cannot change the logo. If you want to change the logo, you have to come to the dashboard and click on customize under appearance. When you click on customize, and here when you click on header, site identity, and from here you can change the logo of your site. Okay, simply click and from here you can choose the logo from library, or you can upload from your computer. Okay, and simply you can change the text. Okay, and that's it.